It seems that it happens a lot these days. But don't worry, what influences the market profoundly is the still miserable economic situation. Generally, the stainless steel prices had an increasing tendency in September and October, but the rise were too weak to last. More often, the prices increased for 2 to 3 days and had to go down under the sluggish market. Recently, stainless steel prices are still going down, although it is now the end of the year, when it should be the peak season. Based on the current situation, the whole market is rather pessimistic about the future. In China, according to the manufacturing PMI of October, the PMI again fell below the bottom line and the 5 major indicators all showed to be weak. Although the inventory in the downstream manufacturers was not stockpiled, it fails to encourage them to stock up. The reason is obvious. They are not confident about the market, and actually, the new order index is so low. The poor situation can be blamed on the constantly strict quarantine, but the global lackluster cannot be ignored, as the Fed raised the interest rate by 0.75% points to 3.75% to 4%, the highest level since January of 2008. We can know how low inflation is today. An expert who is related to the Chinese steel market predicts that the steel price will continue to fall in November, unless there will be really good policy support, but don't pin the hope on it. The price will continue to drop until the market softens and the steel mills will have to reduce or stop producing. It is hard to believe that under such a market, in October, the crude steel output of stainless steel 300 series is still increasing by nearly 300,000 tons from September. International trade is really cut down. Ocean freight costs have bottomed out as the demand for goods and raw materials have dwindled, amid rising consumer prices that have discouraged spending. According to the Shanghai Container Freight Index, it has dropped for 20 weeks. To cope with the low demand, liner companies continue to reduce and cancel voyages. The overseas buyers dispose well for the business sector as they can pocket some savings given the current prices. If you want to know more about the dynamics of the stainless steel market in China, don't forget to read our full report and you can find the link here down below. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!